Again, this is Rachel Ayana Laresca, and now I am going to discuss to you about evaporation problem. The problem states, a single effect evaporator will be used to concentrate a 12,000 kg per hour of anorganic colloid in water from 15% to 75% solid. The feed enters at 27 degrees Celsius with a specific heat of 2.345 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, a pressure of 560 millimeters mercury vacuum will be maintained in the vapor space. Calculate the economy if the solution has negligible PPR and the steam available at 270 kilopascal and 130 degrees Celsius. For the same problem, calculate the evaporator area given that the overall heat transfer coefficient is 2,780 watts per meter squared. For the solution proper, we are given feed rate at 12,000 kg per hour with a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, the mass ratio of 0.15, and a specific heat of 2.345 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. The mass ratio for the living fluid is 0.75. Thus, we are required to get the economy and evaporator area. At a vapor pressure of 270 kilopascal with a temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, using a steam table, we will get the latent heat of 2181.053 kilojoules per kilogram. And at 560 millimeters mercury vacuum, thus the pressure is at 200 millimeters mercury or equal to 26.66 kilopascal. We get the temperature at 55.98 degrees. Then, we are going to set up our overall material balance as F is equal to L plus E. Then by using solute balance, we get FXF is equal to LXL by substituting the values 12,000 as the feed rate, XF is equal to 0.15 and 0.75 for XL, we will get the value of L as 2,400. By substituting this value to the overall material balance, we will get the value of E as 9,600. Then, by heat balance equation, Q is equal to VO times L plus 1.884 times Ts minus To is equal to EL1 plus CPF times F multiplied by T1 minus TF. Substituting the values given and the calculated ones, we would get the value of VO as 10,635.23 kilogram per hour. To get the value of economy is equal to E over VO, thus 9,600 divided by 10,635.23. We get the value of economy as 0.9027. Then, using the heat transfer equation, Q is equal to overall heat transfer coefficient multiplied by the area times TO minus T1 is equal to EL1 plus FCPF multiplied by T1 minus TF. By substituting the given values in the computed ones, we would get the value of area as 32.51 square meters. Thank you for listening.